When you think of Southern Implants, what comes to mind? Advanced implantology, industry-leading innovation for everyday solutions. Southern Implants has to be a company that is different to what the competition does. We're in a different part of the world. We have a different approach to things. We have different pressures on us, and we are highly technologically driven. The inspiration comes from knowing that we can meet the needs of the clinicians. So it's just wonderful to listen to what the needs are and to know that there's a technological solution to most of those problems. Translating the need into product is a wonderful, wonderful, innovative journey that is driven by passion. Add that to developments in technology, and it's a perfect storm to bring about wonderful new products. Born from the ideology that effective treatment solutions should not just be the goal, but the standard, Southern Implants' history starts in 1984, when the first group of South Africans had the honor of attending an osseointegration course in Sweden, hosted by the father of implantology, Professor Graham Blackbeard. 3 years later, this group of South African innovators approached me after I had returned from the United States of America, where I had developed and manufactured an artificial heart valve housing from titanium. They were searching for a solution to bridge the implantology gap in the South African market. And thanks to my experience gained whilst working with titanium, the transition from medical device manufacturing to implantology industry made perfect sense. After a year of late nights, intense discussions, and numerous prototypes, we were finally ready to place the first Southern implant into a patient's jaw. Fast forward 35 years to where we are today. It is clear that progress has helped us become a household name in the implantology field. Our modest location in Irene, South Africa, which was originally used as a film laboratory, has seen great expansions over the years and has evolved into a dynamic, streamlined manufacturing center that successfully supplies implant components to an international market. The importance of being privately funded and not part of a corporate is that you have the ability to take very long-term decisions. You're not answering to shareholders that want a return. You're not part of an investment fund. And that just gives you the freedom to say, hang on, there is a better way, but this better way might take 5 or 10 years. You can invest in things that you know are right without having to answer to people that aren't that really worried about patient outcomes. They're more worried about their return on investment. And if you think about that, the product that goes into a patient has to have longevity. You want it to last a lifetime. You want it to be the best that you can possibly make it, so that it will outlive even yourself. And that to me is absolutely fundamental.